the three specific sections that Democrats want to roll back entirely from the big, beautiful bill, which I love. The Republicans are now calling the working families tax cut. It's like the names on Capitol Hill, right? Like somebody realized, oh, one big, beautiful bill doesn't really telegraph anything that helps our side. Let's call it working families tax cut. The next bill will be called, we'll help you live forever tax bill, whatever. Like, just shove any.
I dare you to vote against that. Yeah,
right? Exactly. Just choose the selection from the land of Eden. So here are the three specific sections that they want to roll back entirely, as if they hadn't been enacted. And this would allow free health care to illegal aliens. One, it's Section 71109, Alien Medicaid Eligibility. Restricts Medicaid and other coverage starting in fiscal year 27 to U.S. citizens, to lawful permanent residents, to certain Cuban Haitian entrants and others. Okay, but it says exceptions remain for emergency services and certain care for lawfully present children and pregnant women. That's what I was getting to before. The law already requires you to take care of certain people like that, even if they're illegal and they come into the emergency room, and it still does. Okay, then there's Section 71110, expansion FMAP for emergency Medicaid, reduces the federal match rate for emergency services provided to illegal immigrants in states that expanded Medicaid. And then the last one is 71301, permitting premium tax credit only for certain individuals, restricts eligibility for premium tax credits under the Obamacare law to lawful permanent residents, Cuban and Haitian entrants, and individuals lawfully present under certain agreements. They point out that Biden's administration circumvented this by granting legal status to groups like parolees and asylees. And basically what they did was they created an incentive system for hospitals to get reimbursed more if it's an illegal. They can get reimbursed more. You get this premium tax credit if you treat an illegal. And they reduce that, saying, no, now you can only get this premium tax credit if the person you're treating is a U.S. citizen or somebody who's here lawfully. That's what they're fighting over. The Democrats want all of those repealed. And the Republicans are like, no. In any event, you're not going to hear any of that on, mainstream media or on CNN, certainly, though Mike Johnson certainly tried to explain it to her. Here's J.D. Vance, by the way, taking a shot on Fox and Friends today and doing a good job of it. SOT 7.
They say we're not actually trying to give health care benefits to illegal aliens, and here's why it's not true. There are two Biden-era programs that explicitly gave the taxpayer health care money to illegal aliens that we turned off when President Trump took over in January. Program number one is there's a lot of emergency health care at hospitals that are provided to illegal aliens. That was funded by the federal government. We turned off that funding because, of course, we want American citizens to benefit from those hospital services, not to be taxed and then to have those hospital services go to illegal aliens. The second of which is the Biden administration gave mass parole to millions upon millions of illegal aliens, and then they simultaneously made those parolees eligible for health care benefits funded by taxpayers. In the one big beautiful bill, President Trump and congressional Republicans turned off that money to health care funding for illegal aliens. The Democrats want to turn it back on.